Good day. In this video, we are going to look at the basics of fractions. Now, fractions are numbers that are used to describe a part of a whole, and we often see them written as a number on top of another number. Let's say 3/4. So, what are the different names we can use to give to these various numbers? The number on top here is called the numerator. And the bottom number here is called the denominator. Now we can see another part of the fraction which is in the middle here, and we can call this as a fraction bar, or we can call it a Venn column. That's a mathematical term for it, but normally we call it the fraction bar. And when we think about this middle part, we often think about divide, like division. So anytime we think about this middle part, we think about division, right? So these are the various parts of a given fraction. We have the numerator, then the denominator, which is the bottom part, then the middle part, which is the division. Now, what are the types of fraction that we have? We have what we call the types of fractions. We have the first one, proper fractions. Well, proper fractions are fractions whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So the first one we can have is 1/2, that is 1/2, whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We can also have 3/4, that is 3/4. We can have 5/6, and so on. So we can release fractions which have the numerator to be smaller than the denominator as proper fraction. Another type of fraction that we have is improper fractions. So improper fraction, with this type of fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, we have 3/2. We can also have 4/3. We can also have 5/4. These are improper fractions because the numerator is greater than the denominator. And we can convert improper fractions to a mixed number, and this brings us to another type of fraction known as mixed fractions. So I'll have to rub this. So let me rub this so that you look at what improper fractions are. All right, so the third type of fraction that we have is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions, or you can say mixed numbers. So these are the type of fraction which have a whole number part and a fraction part. So a fraction that has a whole number part and a fraction part is called a mixed fraction. You can have examples as 1 whole number, 2/3. You can have 2 whole number, 5/6. Then 3 whole number, 1/2. So these are examples of mixed numbers or mixed fractions, and we can change mixed fractions back to improper fractions, and we can also change improper fractions back to mixed fractions, and vice versa. So If you enjoyed this video, kindly follow for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.